Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see pop-up notifications when a friend comes online on your PlayStation 4 account. So I'm just on the home screen. I want to go up to Friends right here and select this. Then on the bottom it says press the triangle button, notifications when friends go online. So let's press triangle. And under here, I can select my friends now. So let's go down to Action 6 and check mark them. Then I can go to additional friends under here. So once I have all the friends I want, I can go on over to confirm. Now if we look up here, we have the option to select all our friends if we want to go ahead and do that. I think I have like 300 friends, so that might be a little bit too much. Otherwise we can go to deselect all. So let's go to confirm. Now anytime when that friend comes online, I'm going to see a pop-up notification in the upper left side of the screen. And I will know they're online. Now I won't see when they actually go offline. I'll have to check my friends list. So it's a little bit different. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.